Hi, friends. Come on in. Welcome to preschool. Yeah, I have a story today. Come on in and have a seat. Yeah, we're going to get started reading our story today. Come on in. Have a seat with us. It's time for some learning literacy. I'm looking to see who's ready. Who's being responsible, who's being respectful, who's being safe for school. Oh, Jonathan is ready. Francesca's ready too. I see you, Christopher, you're ready. All ready for preschool. Eddie is ready. And Cynthia, you are too. And Edna and Carolyn, you're ready for preschool. Boys and girls, what are our class community rules? Be safe, be responsible, and be respectful. Being safe, how can we keep this book safe? Let's check out the spine. Yeah, all the pages are inside. That means we've been keeping this book safe and taking good care of it. That's very responsible, boys and girls. Being respectful, be respectful to your books. If you're all finished reading it, put it back on the shelf. Don't leave it on the floor to get trampled. Trampled is a vocabulary word that means all stomped on. We want to love our books, boys and girls, because they help our brain grow. Yeah. So, boys and girls, the name of this book is Wide Mouth Frog. Whoa, he has a wide mouth. Can you open your mouth wide? Wider? Wider? Oh, whoa, that's very wide. You just learned what wide means. It means stretch wide. And this little word, see that little bitty hole? That's a narrow hole, and this is a wide one. Yeah, you just learned 2 words. All right, get comfortable. We're going to start. This is the front of the book. Turn it over. This is the back of the book. We talked about the spine of the book that holds the pages. The author's name is Keith Faulkner. He wrote the words. The illustrator's name is Jonathan Lambert. He drew the pictures. Have you ever drew a picture, boys and girls? That means you're an illustrator too. Maybe you can draw a picture of your favorite part of the book. So when I ask you to help me open it, I need you to use your muscles, and it goes really, really strong. Pull. Not too strong. We don't want to rip the spine. Boys and girls, there our friend is. Wide Mouth Frog. Let's see. There. Now you can see it. Are you ready? There's a surprise on the next page. Here we go. Help me pull it. Whoa! Grip it. Do you see that wide mouth frog? He's eating a fly. Whoa! Wide. I'm a wide mouth frog, and I eat flies, said the wild mouth frog, shooting out his long, sticky tongue. Whoa! You see his long, sticky tongue, boys and girls? Whoa! Look at the beak on the bird. Do you see it? Wow! Let's read the words. It says, as he hopped along, he met a big feathered bluebird. I'm a wild mouth frog, and I eat flies, said the wild mouth frog. What do you eat, bird? I eat wiggly worms and slugs, said the wild mouth big-beaked bird, snapping his pointy beak. Snap, snap, snap. Help me turn the page. Whoa, look at that. Next, The wide-mouthed frog met a furry brown nose. Oh, he's a furry brown nose. What animal is that? Yeah. It's a furry brown-nosed mouse. You're right. I'm a wide-mouthed frog, and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, mouse? You know, mouses are quiet. I eat crunchy seeds and juicy berries, replied the mouse, wiggling her whiskers. You see her whiskers? Help me turn the page. Whoa! What is that, boys and girls? Whoa! Let's find out. The wide-mouthed frog was still catching flies when he saw a big green alligator. I'm a wide-mouthed frog, and I eat flies, said the wide-mouthed frog. What do you eat, alligator? I eat delicious wide-mouthed frogs, replied the alligator, showing his sharp teeth. You see those sharp teeth? I wonder what's going to happen. Help me turn the page. See that? Let's see what happens. Look at that. His mouth looks very, very small. It doesn't look wide at all, does it? The wide-mouthed frog stopped catching flies and gulped. Then he puckered his lips and made his mouth as small as possible. Can you pucker your lips and make your mouth as small as possible? Oh, you don't see many of those around here. And he leaped into the pond. Did you see that? He went from being a wide-mouthed frog to a little bitty mouth frog because he didn't want the crocodile to know he was a wide-mouthed frog. Let's see what happened when he leaped in the pond. Whoa! He got me all wet, boys and girls. He splashed me. That's the name of this word, S-P-L-A-S-H. That spells splashed. Whoa! Did he get you wet too? Boys and girls, that's the end of our story. I hope you had as good of time as I had. I'll see you in our next Treehouse story time. Bye-bye.